We will be doing in today's video this little strawberry cut crease makeup look. So if ever you want to know how I created this look step by step, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this makeup tutorial right away. Hello beauties! Oh my god, we will be doing a little strawberry makeup look. So those two colors, green and pink, usually don't really mix together. So we're gonna try to do something that really contrasts and that's gonna be very beautiful together. That can just be harmonized and that can just be like super glowy overall. I'm excited for this. I just want to say that my face is already primed. If you want to know all the products that I use, everything will be listed down below, and we'll jump right into this makeup tutorial right now. So of course I will start with the Huda Beauty Nymph all over body and face highlighter. So I'm going to be putting it on my face, just blending it properly, and then we will jump into the eye area. So for today I applied it with my hands and I think it went pretty well, and it went very quickly as well. So anyways, let's jump to the eye primer. So I will prime my eyelids right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be really cutting off my eyebrows, so making sure they're very sharp with it under the eyebrow and also on the lid. I just want everything to be very smooth and very prepped for the color that we're about to put on. Base is done, and now we will go into the James Charles palette and we will go already into the pink and green shades. I'm gonna go with the brightest pink of the palette, which is the shade Skip, and I will be applying it on my lids, and I will just start packing the shade and create the shape that I want. So after that we can add other colors and we can also blend it out. And of course I place a little tape so everything is more sharp and beautiful. After blending this shade a little bit out, we will take the shade Pinkity Drinkity, which is that pale pink shade that we'll put right on top of the shade to really blend the bright pink all the way up to the brow bone. We'll take like a pencil brush to really be precise in our application. Then you blend up until you have the desired softness. Now that these shades are blended, it is time to cut the crease. So I'm going to be using again the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to be cutting the crease. So when I open my eyes, well, the crease is still there and we have all the colors and we can see them. Since I have hooded eyes, it is a little bit of a different technique than if you are not having hooded eyes, and that's how you do it. So I'm gonna be going to do my other eye. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply two shimmer shades on my eyelids since the crease is cut, and then it will be like a golden shimmer shade which is called Ring Light, and then I will be applying this other shade in the outer corner, making sure that both of these are really blended, and it's gonna create a beautiful transition to white to green, and it's gonna be super nice. And the green shade is called Guac, which is a weird name. Start off with the shade Ring Light in the inner corner, which is that nice little golden white shade. It illuminates everything. And going into the shade Guac at the outer corner, which is very dark. It's kind of like really dark compared to what I was picturing in my head. So I'm just gonna be applying the shade Ring Light all over it to really diffuse that shade and to make a nice transition. Of course the eye look is not finished, it's gonna come to life later on, so that's what it looks like. And of course we're gonna put something in between, so maybe a white or a black liner. I'm really gonna see what I'm putting, just because I want the definition to be really nice and I don't want like the shimmer to just be there and then it's the color. So having something in the middle will really enhance everything else. So I'm gonna go do the other eye, of course, and then after that we will pass to that little liner to make sure that everything is perfect. So then now I think I decided I want to put a white liner so everything is kind of bright and it pops and everything. So I'm gonna be using this NYX White Epic eyeliner, which is crazy. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna be lining up my cut crease with this, being super careful because let me tell you, I don't want to mess up because this will not budge at all. So the white liner is done and I think it looks way better that way. So I'm just gonna remove this real quick. Ooh, so satisfying. And then I'm gonna be going off doing my look off camera, so my base and everything, and I will be right back because I want to concentrate on the eye look and maybe the rest of the face. But you saw me apply my foundation so many times, so I'm just gonna be applying it real quick And yeah, so we will continue right after that. All right, so base is done. We will go right under here. And I don't think I want to connect both of these. I think I'm going to go like this and just go straight out to see what it looks like. And I think I want to put like that bright green at the outer corner, and then I want to put that bright pink in the inner corner. So we will go into these colors and it's going to be amazing. We're going to start with the shade Skip, which is that bright pink shade, and I'm going to be applying it at the inner corner all the way to the middle of the eyelid. It's weird because usually we want to start with like the outer corner, but today we're doing things differently. We are connected. And then after that, what I'll do, I'll take a little pencil brush and then I'll go into the shade Social Blade, which is that green bright shade, and I will be applying it right here at the outer corner of the eye. Then I bring it outwards like this. It's not too bad because when I mix the green and the pink, it looks a little bit like the shade that we already put up there. So that looks cute. I think that this looks pretty good. I don't think we need to add anything else other than white eyeliner in the waterline, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take the NYX Slide On Glide On white eyeliner and I'm going to be putting it in my waterline. All right, so that looks pretty crazy. Oh my god, I like it, especially the green that's coming out like this. And after that, I'm going to be putting some highlighters. So I already put a little bit of cream highlighter here so I can put the diamond powder right on top. It's going to be super pretty. And I am using the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette to the diamond glow base and the diamond powder on top. Then I will put it right here also in the middle right here so it pops. The diamond glow base with the finger, just like this. You pat it on. Then after that, we'll put the nice little diamond. Next step is obviously mascara. So I'm taking my Kush mascara and from Milk Makeup. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit on my lashes just to remove like the eyeshadow that's already there. And then after that, I'm just going to apply my false lashes off camera. And I'm going to go do that and I will be right back. Lashes are applied. There's only the lips and the setting spray that's going to be done. So I was thinking of what I wanted to do for the lips. And I think I just want to do like a nude lip, nothing too crazy. I'm just going to literally overline my lips and then put like a lip gloss on top, which is going to be super nice. I'm going to go into the lip liner from MAC, and this lip pencil is called Boldly Bare. And with that, I'm just going to overline just a little bit my lips, not too much. Shade in on the side, just so it's not too harsh. But then now we will go into the Fenty Beauty and the color. Excited for that color because it is literally the same color as my eye. It's gonna be so pretty. So I'm gonna be going into that color, which is Pretty Please. Place it on my lips and it's gonna look super amazing. We just take the setting spray, which is from Morphe, this one right here, and I just apply it to my face. That is the final look. So tell me down below what you think about the eye look, about the base and everything, about the lip. Is it really fitting, or do you think that I should have done something else? So tell me down below if you like it, and that's what it is. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see all those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any videos again, subscribe and hit the bell so every time that I post one, even when I do lives occasionally, you will be notified. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.